Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat theme. So if you want to change the appearance of Snapchat, here are your options. So first, open Snapchat. Now once you're here, tap your Bitmoji or profile in the top left, just like so. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Next, scroll down and look for app appearance. Then click on it. Now once you're here at the bottom, so you can choose always light, you can choose always dark, or match system. So match system follows your phone's theme. So if you want to use light mode, just click on it and click apply theme to save the changes. And that's it. So it will be saved automatically. Now, if you don't see app appearance, you can update Snapchat from the Google Play Store or App Store.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So just open App Store or Play Store and then search for Snapchat. And if you see an update button, just click on that to update the app. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.